Welcome friends on Asrar IS YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the question from the Geography GS Mains Paper 1 under the subtopic Physiography. Let's see the question. Examine the causes and extent of desertification in India and suggest remedial measures. We have to first discuss what is the causes of desertification, extent of the desertification, and third is the remedial measures. What are the measures taken by government or we can take to improve the desertification? Okay, we in general studies question we can intercede from many ways, like I have also discussed, like the current events, facts given by any uh, agency, organization regarding the desertification, even the program launched by the central government or by the international organization to combat desertification. We can introduce from the any fact, or we can also define the what is desertification. Oh, okay, let's see the content of the answer. An introduction. Desertification in India is a significant environmental challenge affecting vast areas, primarily in arid and semi-arid regions. This process degraded land quality and reduced agricultural productivity, impacting livelihoods and food security. Understanding the causes and extent of desertification is crucial for developing effective remedial measures. Causes of desertification in India. One is the unsustainable land use. Overgrazing by livestock, excessive agricultural practices, and deforestation lead to the soil degradation and loss of fertility. That is the one. Second is climate change. Rising temperature and erratic rainfall patterns contribute to the water scarcity and increased evaporation, exacerbating desertification. Soil erosion. Poor agricultural practices, including lack of crop rotation and inadequate soil conservation techniques, result in soil erosion, reducing land productivity. Urbanization. Expansion of the urban areas often encroaches upon fertile land, leading to land degradation and habitat destruction. Deforestation. The clearing of forest for agriculture and urban development removes vital vegetations that stabilizes soil and retain moisture, accelerating desertification. Water mismanagement. Over extraction of groundwater for irrigation and domestic use depletes water resource, leading to land degradation. Salinization. Improper irrigation practices can lead to the accumulation of salt in the soil, rendering it unproductive. Extent of desertification in India. Geographical spread. Approximately 33% of India's total land area is susceptible to the desertification, with states like the Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and parts of Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh being particularly affected. Impact on agriculture. Desertification reduces agricultural yield, leading to food insecurity in affected region. It is estimated that desertification can reduce crop productivity by up to 50% in the severely affected areas. Socio-economic consequence. Millions of people in arid regions depend on agriculture and pastoralism for their livelihoods. Desertification exacerbates poverty, leads to migration, and increase the risk of conflict over dwindling resource. Remedial measures. Sustainable agricultural practices. Promoting organic farming, crop rotation, and forestry can enhance soil health and reduce reliance on chemical fertilizers. Reforestation and afforestation. Planting trees in degraded areas can restore soil health, improve moisture retention, and enhance biodiversity. Soil conservation techniques. Implementing counter plowing, terracing, and using cover crops can reduce soil erosion and improve water retention. Water management. Encouraging rainwater harvesting, constructing check dams, and promoting efficient irrigation method like drip and sprinkler system can optimize water use. Education and awareness. Raising awareness about the causes and impact of desertification among local communities can promote sustainable land use practices. Policy and governance. Strengthening policies aimed at land conservation, regulating land use, and promoting community involvement in resource management can enhance desertification control efforts. Research and technology. Investing in research to develop drought resistant crop varieties and innovative land management practices can help adapt to changing climate conditions. Monitoring and assessment. Establishing system for regular monitoring of land degradation and desertification can help in assessing the effectiveness of interventions and making necessary adjustment. In conclusion, desertification in India poses significant challenge to environmental sustainability and socio-economic stability. Addressing its cause and extent multifaceted require a multifaceted approach that includes sustainable land management, community involvement, and effective policies. By implementing comprehensive remedial measures, India can mitigate the impact of desertification, enhance food security, and improve the